Allrecipes member Sue Easty says she's been making this creme brulee French toast for 13 years, and it is her favorite for holidays or for that special company breakfast dish. We'll start by melting half a cup of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Then add 1 cup of packed brown sugar, or less to taste. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup instead of corn syrup, and stir until the sugar dissolves. Pour this into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and set aside. Now, we'll layer 6 1-inch thick slices of French bread on the bottom of the dish. Challah or brioche work equally well. We're using a day-old bread with the crust on to make sure it soaks up all of that delicious custard. To make the custard, add 5 eggs, 1½ cups of half and half, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of brandy-based orange liqueur, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a bowl and whisk to combine. To highlight the orange flavor, let's add zest of 1 orange as well. Pour the custard over the bread. Cover the dish and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Many members commented that they have had luck baking this casserole right away as well. To bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and remove the dish from the refrigerator to bring to room temperature. Then bake in the preheated oven uncovered until the bread is puffed and lightly browned on top, 35 to 40 minutes. Allrecipes member LD18 calls this creme brulee French toast fantastic, saying they've made it a few times and it's always perfect.